we will learn about the uses of hydrocarbons, that where the hydrocarbons have been used. So basically hydrocarbons, they are not only used as the fuels, they are also used as a raw material for many synthesis. They are used as raw material for many industrial processes or industrial products. Industrial products. So hydrocarbons are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen, and their study is known as organic chemistry. So we will learn about the uses of the hydrocarbons in our daily life. So first one use for the hydrocarbons, as they are used as polymers. They are used as polymers. Now what does mean by the polymers? So the word polymer means the long chains, and these long chains are basically, they are used as a starting material. They are used as the starting material for the many products, starting material for the production of many organic compounds, and we can make a lot of compounds. In the polymers, the smaller units are combined, and by the combination of these smaller units that are known as monomers, when the monomers combine, they are going to form the large units. That large units are known as polymers. So the polymers are the larger or the bigger units, in which the alkenes and alkynes are gonna to make the larger molecules. Next, the unit for or the use of the hydrocarbons, they are used for the manufacturing of the plastics, as we have a lot of examples of plastic around us. So hydrocarbons are basically used as raw material for the preparation of the plastic. They are used as raw material for the production of the plastics. We have the chairs around us made up of plastic. We have many apparatus, and many household items are made up of plastics. We have furniture, we have electric and sewage items, all are made up of the plastics, and mainly plastics are formed by the help of hydrocarbons, where the hydrocarbons are used for the production of the many useful substances like plastics. Next, third one we have, it is used as raw material for the manufacturing of the rubber. We have a lot of things around us that are made up of rubber, so hydrocarbons can be converted into synthetic rubber. For example, we use ethylene. It is used in the making of footwears, and as well as it is used for the manufacturing of the toys. So here the rubber, basically these are the hydrocarbons, which is the ethylene. Its structure is CH triple bond CH. It is used for the manufacturing of the footwears and the toys. So it is the application, the most important application of the hydrocarbons. Next we have the uses of isotope hydrocarbons. It is used as fibers. They are used as fibers. Now what are the fibers? Basically they are used for the preparation of the synthetic fibers, and the fibers are polyester. Basically fibers are used for the clothing purpose. It may be nylon, it may be rayon, and etc. There are a lot of fibers that have been produced with the help of the hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are very important in our daily life. These fibers are of very good quality, and These fibers are also used for the clothing purpose as their quality is very good. So they are used for the clothing purpose. They are used for the manufacturing of the curtains. They are used for the manufacturing of the towels. They are used for the manufacturing of the bed sheets, and they are used for the manufacturing of the carpets and etc. So these are the many, or you can say that important uses of the fibers, and fibers are made up of hydrocarbons. Next, the fifth one use for the hydrocarbons we have, they are used for the manufacturing of the adhesives. Now, what does mean by the adhesives? Basically, adhesives have been formed by the hydrocarbons and they are used to hold, adhesives are used to hold the different substances together, different substances together, and they are powerful to use. And how they are powerful? Because they create the strong bond between the two surfaces. So that's why the hydrocarbons are used in the manufacturing of the adhesives. And they are also used in the manufacturing of the synthetic wood. Synthetic wood, and it is also used in the manufacturing of the formica. So we have a lot of examples of hydrocarbons around us and their main applications. Next uses of the hydrocarbons is that they are used in pharmaceuticals industries. They are used in pharmaceutical industries. And what is their important use in pharmaceutical industries? That they are used as a raw material for the synthesis of the drugs. And these drugs are basically mainly medicines for the cure of the many diseases. And next on, they are also used in the manufacturing of the cosmetics. They are used in the manufacturing of the waxes and also used in the manufacturing of the petroleum jelly. So the petroleum jelly that we use in our home during winter to remove the dryness from the body. So there are a lot of use of hydrocarbons in the pharmaceutical industry as they are going to use for the drugs formation or the raw material for the drug or the medicine, as a raw material for the cosmetics, for the waxes and petroleum jelly, etc. Next, seventh one use for the hydrocarbons we have, they are used in the manufacturing of the detergents. Now, what are detergents? Basically, detergents are for use for the cleaning purpose. They are used for the cleaning purpose. For example, to wash the clothes, we use the detergents at home, and mainly the detergents are made up of the hydrocarbons. Next, last one use we have of the hydrocarbons that we have, they are used for the manufacturing of the many chemicals. They are used for the manufacturing of many chemicals. So a number of chemicals has been obtained from the hydrocarbons. So some of these chemicals maybe we have like methyl alcohol, CH3OH, we may have acetic acid, CH3, COOH, etc. All these materials have been obtained from the mainly hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are very important in our daily life or in our life, because without the hydrocarbons we will not be able to get all these products like the clothing, plastics, rubbers, fibers, adhesives, pharmaceutical industry, drugs, detergents and chemicals. So they are very important in our daily life. I hope you guys understand the uses of hydrocarbons in our daily life. Next one, if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.